Good day everybody, it's Susie here from Le'Rez Expressions. I'm just doing another pour, and this one I think is going to be great for newbies as well. So I've only got two colors here. I've got the Purple Rain, which I only need a little bit of, and I've got a new Rose Gold. Oh, sugar. No, I got that wrong way around. I need more of the Purple Rain and less of the Rose Gold. Okay, sorry, just had a bit of a brain thing happening. Bit of a pause button in the brain function. So I'm just pouring in my resin. The resin that I'm using today is the Mad Artist resin, and I like it because when I use this cup, which is going to be perfect amount for this board, it's got lines already, so I've already worked it out, so I don't have to measure anything. If I go up to the bottom line here of my part 1 and then go all the way up to the top of the line, it's a perfect 1-to-1 ratio. So that's a bit of a tip. You can kind of, or you can go and mark all your cups and things. So I'm going to put in quite a bit of this Purple Rain in there. 10% is plenty, so that's nowhere near 10%. I'm going to put a little bit more in there and then see how that goes. And the metallic Rose Gold, when you get it, it's not available yet, but it will be available by the 1st of September. What is it? August, September. Yep, that's right. So what you do is, it'll look quite golden on top, so what you do is just give it a little stir and then you pick it up and pop it in your cup. That's probably too much, so I'm going to pop it in my cup now, and then voila, beautiful Rose Gold, which has a really golden, beautiful golden shimmer to it. Okay, back again. I had a little interruption just to show you a bit of a close-up so that you can see that. Okay, so let's mix the Purple Rain. Gorgeous, gorgeous color. And I think the two of these two together are going to make a really, really nice combination. And maybe I will add a little bit, tiny little bit of white to it, just to lift this purple, because it's quite a deep purple. And this here is just placemat. It's MDF with the cork behind it. I just ran out of, let me line you up here, ran out of the boards, so I'm using these. Perfect. And actually this design on it just, you know, inspired me to do something with it. So let's go. The whole surface is going to be covered in this purple. Easy. Let's just hope it turns out good. The last painting that I did, I was so excited about it. Super excited. And isn't it wonderful when you can get excited about your own artwork? Like, I get excited when I see other people's art, when they share it in the group. It's just, some of them are so, well, all of them are great, but some of them are just so unusual, you know, and just different. It's really inspiring. And most of the good ones come from the newbies. They just seem to really listen and take everything on board and just go for it, and it's just amazing. Right, so I'm gonna use my fingers to, actually what I'll do is just spread it out a little bit, get rid of some of these bubbles. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go and grab my I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I got rid of the bubbles, and I've got my alcohol wipe here, nice and handy dandy. So what I'm going to do is just going to use my hand to spread this all around and everywhere. Gorgeous, gorgeous Purple Rain. So I'm just going to go spread it around all the way. This is the fun part for me, because I like getting my fingers in there, spreading that paint. Just so relaxing, you know, just takes me to another place. Except for talking, because yeah, that kind of changes it a little bit. But it's all good. Let's go all the way around. It's quite thick. I've got plenty there to cover this whole board, which is about 35 centimeters in diameter. And how much did I use in this cup? Probably about 150 milliliters, but don't quote me on it because I didn't measure it. But I think that cup holds about 200, so I think it's about 150, maybe about 180 actually, because this is a bigger board than the one that I usually use. So there we go, plenty, and that's going to move a little bit, but I really want to help it go all the way up to the edge. Might use a little bit of white in there. See what happens, see how we go with it. Okay, torch again. Beautiful. And just checking to see if I got any nasties in there, because that seemed to happen a lot. Okay, so now I've got my gorgeous rose gold. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stand up for this one, and here we go. And you can probably see that camera in there. I do apologize for that. I should probably choose a different angle. So let's just go like this. We're just going to go over with the clear, and you can even see the clear is pushing through that purple, and you can see the lighter color underneath, but that's all right. I'm just using it as a guide, and just adding a few more kind of veins here, a little bit over here like so, and maybe one more coming out that way. Okay, so just seeing if I can scrape up a little bit more of this and put it over here, because I want it quite dark. Right, now that I've done that, now I'm just going to follow through with my gold, and I'm going to try and drizzle it from up high, but let's see how we go. See if it'll let me do it. Okay. Okay. The drizzle is not the best. Let's go again. Okay, there we go. Better. I'll get this one coming from here like so. Come on, like that. Just going over the top of that white there. Join this one in with this one. You don't need a lot, and I don't want to do too much. I don't want to overdo it. And I've got enough of this to do another painting. Okay, so oh, there's a drizzle there, drip. I'm dribbling. Get it right, woman. Okay, so I've got that there. What I'll do is just gonna get some more of this clear and just continue from here over there. The clear just helps the movement, and then I'm going to join them together. Maybe make it a little bit thicker to fix that. Okay, so that is that. Don't have to do any more now. I'm just going to kind of tilt it a little bit. Oh boy, that's looking great. Fixing up some bits that are not covered. Might see what happens when I get the, still haven't decided about the white yet, but let's see. Low heat first, always. Just need to turn it around so I'm not in your way when I'm doing this, because I've got to blow it over this way now. Wow, crazy things happening there. The gold has separated, so you've got the actual gold looking gold sitting on top, and I've got some lines happening, and then you have that rose gold underneath it, and then that purple looks absolutely amazing. And I just got something just flew in there, like a bit of dust or something. I lost it now. Where is it? It's good to find them straight away, because if you don't, they reappear. They just pop up. There it is. Bugger. Gotcha. Sometimes they pop back up, you know, as it's setting. It kind of gets pushed out by the resin. I quite like that, even just like that as it is. All that stuff happening here, which is absolutely amazing. Got to show you it. I just got to show you what it looks like. Okay, so let's go nice and close so that you can see all that stuff happening, and it's still going to move and happen. The rose gold looks quite golden here. That's because of the lighting and everything. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. This is really awesome. I'm going to think about this one and maybe add a little bit of white to it, or maybe I'm just going to add a little bit of gold to it, but maybe I'm just going to leave it as it is. Let's see. Okay, so I've decided with the less is more approach, so I'm not going to add any white to it. I'm just going to add a little bit more of this rose gold in some areas that I think need a little bit of something. I just want to leave it looking elegant, and oh my gosh, all that stuff's all happening there. And maybe just add maybe another area here, just a little bit of that kind of going through there, bit of gold happening. Don't even think I want to add any more, maybe just a little bit here as well. Let's just follow that. That's all I'm doing. Just go like that a bit, maybe go like this a bit. Okay, it's already merging in with the purple there, and it's looking fabulous. Okay, a little bit more heat again. I'm just using the low heat for this one. Okay, so now I'm going to leave it. That's looking gorgeous. I'm going to leave it as is. I could go crazy and add some more rose gold to it, but I don't want to. I think I'm just going to see that stuff. It's all pulling back in and it's doing its own thing. This stuff is great. This looks like little, I don't know, like little veins coming up. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Well, I don't think I've ever created anything so simple. And if this, if you can't do this, then I don't know, but I'm pretty sure you can. Look at that. It's all happening there. The thing is, when you are using a dark color for a background, it's really easy to see all the imperfections, all the little bits that may fall in there. So just be careful with that. But no, I love that. I think that's going to be just it. I could add a little bit of white to it, but I won't. I will not do it. Okay, I've got plenty of resin left, so I might just do another piece and another video. Quite happy with this. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it, and I'll see you in a group. I'll see you in the comments down below, and let me know what you think, and let me know if there's any other color combination that you would like me to try and do for you. Okay, thanks so much. Bye.